Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can refund your domain on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be using a website for this, or the Help Center website article for this, since I myself don't have any domains purchased, so I'll just go over this article and explain everything to you guys. Now, there are different refund policies for different parts of your Squarespace website. For example, as you can see for the website refund, they will automatically issue a full refund for annual website subscriptions canceled within 14 days, and they don't offer refunds for annual plans canceled after 14 days, monthly plans, renewal payments, or lost free domain offers. If you cancel your annual billing plan in the first 14 days, you forfeit your eligibility for the free domain offer, so keep that in mind. However, if you want to refund a specific domain that you've purchased, you will need to cancel it within 5 days, since they automatically issue a full refund for domains canceled within 5 days of registration. If it was registered more than 5 days ago, or if your domain has fully transferred to Squarespace, you cannot cancel the domain, thus they can't offer a refund. And to learn more, you can visit the Canceling a Squarespace Domain tab on the help article, and you also can't cancel a domain registration extension, and they can't often offer refunds for extensions. Now, if you have canceled within 5 days but still haven't received your refund, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the refund form and fill it out. As you can see, you need to choose a request type below, so just choose request a refund. Then you can enter the subject, describe your problem. In this case, it's that you canceled your plan within 5 days, however you still haven't gotten your money. Then you can choose the subscription that you have, for example, website, other, or acuity scheduling. You're going to need other, since it is for Squarespace domain subscriptions, and they don't offer manual refunds. However, they might be able to assist you if you're having problem with a refund that should have happened. You can also confirm that you've canceled your subscription. Over here, you can enter the optional payment date and built-in domains associated with the payment, and if you want a refund, you can just choose a topic, and that is basically it. Once you send that, they should fix every problem, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.